I'm Melissa Zapin. I'm the owner of Grandma Rith Pies. And I started the company 5 years ago, initially out of my home in the Hamptons, New York. And it grew within the first few months. I was an opera singer and I traveled the world singing. And I needed to do something creative in my life. So I had this idea to start a pie company. I had no idea what I was doing. We're on the 5th year and now I've moved to Los Angeles and I'm baking for different movie studios and for people who, love Grandma Rith Pies. Grandma Ruth is probably one of the most amazing artists, kind of an entrepreneur of her time. She could paint, she could crochet, she made jewelry. She went to nursing school in her 60s. She was very persnickety. And the pies were created essentially because she was very poor and she had to feed her family. In Aloha, Oregon, there used to be all these cherry trees in the backyard. And she used to pick those cherries and she would come up with, out of necessity, any way to feed her family and kids. And that's what she did, and that's how the pies started. And my uncle was this crazy pie connoisseur fanatic. So she knew this, and when I would come to visit from Hawaii, she used to hide a pie in her underwear drawer. It was crazy. My mom used to tell me a pheasant would fly in the air and hit the window in the back. Grandma would go in the back, just pull the feathers out and then feed it to her children. I'm like, crazy, can you imagine? I mean, who does that? My grandma. I only wish she was here now. I really do, just to see how her legacy has moved on. I make every single pie with my hands, these hands right here. I make every single pie myself. No machines, nothing fake. I use the most organic ingredients I can get a hold of. If you're a vegan, I can make you a vegan pie. If you have celiac disease, I can make you gluten-free pie. When you eat a Grandma Rith pie, it feels like home. When people come together, eating these pies that she created and then I'm able to make because she taught me, it's a good feeling.